All right, so here we got this pretty kick-ass 62 Impala I've been working on for David Cryderman. Lots of stuff done to this. First, some sentimental value. This is Dad's, so he's definitely kind of partial to the car overall. We're hooking up a pretty badass LT4, Art Morrison chassis, Wilwood brakes, vintage air, Dakota Digital, Schott wheels, Nitto tires. We've replaced a lot, as you can see, a lot of this car. New fenders, door skins, quarter panels. There was a lot of rot. It was from Michigan, so there was a lot of rust we had to overcome. We've put new floors on it, lots of settle modifications. We're not going over the top with the modifications on the body itself, more drivetrain, suspension, good driver feel quality type stuff. All right, so what James is doing now is trying to fit these massive quarter panels on this huge side of this car. What is that, like 8-foot, 10-foot quarter panel, something like that? So he's spending a lot of time just making sure they fit adequately. So we're fitting into the door. Right now he's actually welding the wheel welds up, getting that finished. The new floors in the back all welded up, rear supports, rear braces. Then we'll go into the cab, start finishing up the welds and the stuff in there. And by then we'll probably have to pull it back off the chassis again.
Just a lot of work.
Say the least.
You got to be anal about these cars.
Yep.
You know?
Picky.
Yeah. And I get pretty picky, especially my gaps. I'm real picky about my gaps, making everything fit.
3/16. Lots of rust. Michigan. I don't think I need to say anything else. That's it. Yeah, this is where all the work comes in. If this doesn't work good, the glamour's gone. So the quarters don't fit, the doors don't fit, the fenders don't fit, and then you paint it, kind of messed up. So we spent all of our time in metal fab fitting everything first. That way when we get to the paint side, it's a lot easier, it's more simplistic, not only in the guys, but they're not back there trying to fit a door that should have been fit in metal fab. The last thing you want to do is drill a hole in paint or weld on paint. I tell you, it's the worst feeling in the world. The whole goal is next couple weeks we'll have all the bracing cut out of the inside of the cab with a seat in there so we can get Mr. Cryderman fit in here. He's a pretty tall dude, so I want to make sure he's comfortable in this car since we're building it for him directly.